Hello guys! Kamusta kayo? Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Today is... Anong date ba ngayon? Today is October 28, Thursday at 10 na ng gabi. So, I know it's been a while since the last time I uploaded a video. But anyway, today guys, gagawin natin is magre-review tayo ng Tinted Sunscreen. This one is not really new. Marami na rin ako nakitang beauty vlogger na nag-review nito, nag-wear test. Alam ko, napag-iiwanan na tayo, but that's okay. I just wanna try and wear test this one. So this is Pretty Secret Snail Magic Tinted Sunscreen. So ganyan lang siya kalaki, or ganyan lang siya, ganyan yung size niya. Nabili ko to sa Shopee, sa Watson store, and this is 119 pesos. 10 ml na yung ganitong size, and I believe wala silang other other shades. I think so, wala. Yes, wala silang other shades kasi chinek ko pala yung website nila. I mean, chinek ko siya online, and I did not see any other shade aside from this one. So, wala siyang number or anything. And this is made in Korea. So, I'm assuming na maputi siya kasi we all know na mga Koreans ay, alam mo naman yun, mapuputi yung mukha nila, yung skin nila. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and proceed on reviewing this one. So yeah, the packaging is look like this, and at the back you will see the direction for use, and then sabi dito, get your daily fresh glow and sun protection with Pretty Secret Snail Magic Tinted Sunscreen. So it has SPF 50 PA+++, and it has UVA and UVB protection. Paraben free din siya. And ang sabi dito, it claims na it delivers broad spectrum UVA and UVB protection while giving you perfecting coverage for a natural no makeup look. So makikita natin at malalaman natin kung talagang perfect siya para sa no makeup look. And direction for you, sabi lang dito, apply a small amount onto the face and blend evenly with your makeup brush, sponge, or fingertips. So let's open the box. So ganito siya, ang liit niya lang pala talaga. Cute. So yan. So, ayan yung likod niya. Hindi ko alam kung hindi siya. Ayan. And then, ito yung harap. And also, guys, aside from this one, I will also wear a test and review this one. This is also from Pretty Secret. This is the Lip and Cheek Soft Glow Tint. This is the Vibrant Peach. And this one is the Go with the Glow Warm Blush. you go, guys. This is the final look. I'm super happy dito sa outcome nung makeup, especially using this tinted sunscreen ng Snail Magic. So right now, I will give my thoughts and reviews about this tinted sunscreen. So first things first, of course, tayo mga Pilipino, price conscious tayo. For 119 pesos, hindi ka nalugi. Kahit 10 ml lang siya, guys. As you can see earlier, nag-apply ako ng konting product lang, and na ano naman yun, na cover up naman yung face ko. As you can see, wala akong nilagay na kahit ano aside from powder and liquid products for contour, which is the cheeky blush. And as you can see, guys, natakpan niya naman yung mga blemishes ko sa mukha, except for this one na bagong tubong pimple, but it's not an issue for me. Ano pa ba? This is locally available. Mabibili nyo to sa mga drugstore store. Bibili nyo to sa Watsons at sa iba pang store. Ano pa ba? Wala na akong masabi. I'm speechless kasi, guys, may kita nyo naman ko ano yung pinalabas na. Ayan, lalapit pa ako sa camera. So walang dye yan, walang filter yan, walang kahit na ano yan. So that's the, bare, not bare kasi may makeup. That's the raw and real face, my face after applying this tinted sunscreen. And yes, I'm super happy, guys. And i-end ko na tong video, guys. Sorry hindi ko siya ma-wear test kasi mag-11 PM na. So sorry, guys, but I promise next time pag mag-review ako ng product, i-wear test ko siya para talagang masabi ko na kung good ba siya sa mga oily skin katulad ko, and ano pa ba yung mga mapapansin natin, diba? So anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Please, para dun sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para sa mga susunod ko pang video. And don't forget to like, share this video. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one, guys. Bye, guys. Take care.